So hey guys, welcome to your world. And today we will learn how to import our Metamask account. Firstly, go to this URL metamask.io. Click on download. Now click on install Metamask for Chrome. We will be redirected to Chrome Web Store. Now click on add to Chrome. A notification will pop up to add Metamask. Now click on add extension. We will see this notification and our downloading is completed. After that, we will be redirected to get started screen. Now click on get started. Now click on import wallet if you already have a secret recovery phrase. Now click on I agree. Now here we will paste our secret recovery phrase. This secret recovery phrase we have downloaded in the last tutorial. Copy it. Now paste. Now create password. Confirm password. Now check this box. Click on import. We have recovered our previous Metamask account. So that's all. Click on all done. Thank you.